Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Scaredy Squirrel. Just saying, this is the first book of Scaredy Squirrel series. Warning, Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone wash their hands with antibacterial soap before reading this book. Well, I sure have. What about you? I mean, you don't really have to because probably you're watching this on your phone, your tab, the TV, the computer, laptop. Okay, let's begin. Scaredy Squirrel never leaves his nut tree, the unknown. He'd rather stay in a safe and familiar tree than risk venturing into the unknown. The unknown can be a scary place for a squirrel. A few things Scaredy Squirrel is afraid of: green Martians, killer bees, tarantulas, tarantulas. I know what it is, but I just can't pronounce it. Well, it's definitely a type of tarantulas. Poison ivy, germs, sharks. You know germs could be in your tree, Scaredy Squirrel. And germs are very tiny. So he's perfectly happy to stay where he is. Oh yeah, if you did not take a bath, there might be germs on you. Advantages of never leaving the nut tree. Great view, plenty of nuts, safe place. No, of all of these things he does not like. Disadvantages of never leaving the nut tree. Same old view, same old nuts, same old place. It's also funny that he's inside a washing machine when he says same old place and safe place. Monday, Tuesday. In Scaredy Squirrel's nut tree, every day is the same. Everything is predictable. All is under control. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Scaredy Squirrel's daily routine. 6:45, wake up. 8 a nut. 7:15, look at view. 12 at noon, eat a nut. 12:30, look at view. 5 p.m., eat a nut. 5:31, look at view. 8 p.m., go to sleep. I like that schedule or routine. But let's just say, for example, that something unexpected did happen. You can rest assured that this squirrel is prepared. A few items in Scaredy Squirrel's emergency kit: a parachute, bug spray, mask and rubber gloves, hard hat, antibacterial soap. Clemane lotion, net, band-aid, and sardines. Maybe to give to some, whatever. What to do in case of an emergency, according to Scaredy Squirrel. Demonstration. Step 1, panic. Step 2, run. Step 3, get kit. Step 4, put on kit. Step 5, consult exit plan. Step 3, exit tree. If there is absolutely, definitely, truly no other option. Exit plan, top secret. Exit 1, note to self: watch out for green martins and killer bees in the sky. Exit 2, note to self: do not land in river. If an unavoidable, use sardines to distract the sharks. Exit 3, note to self: look out for poison ivy and tarantulas roaming the ground. Exit 4, note to self: keep in mind that germs are everywhere, including you, okay? Remember, if all else fails, playing dead is always a good option. With this emergency kit in hand, Scaredy Squirrel watches day after day. He watches until one day, Thursday, 9:37 a.m. A killer bee appears. Scaredy Squirrel jumps into panic, knocking his emergency kit out of the tree. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel jumps to catch his kit. He quickly regrets this idea, the parachute in the kit. But something incredible happens. He starts to glide. So, he's probably one of those squirrels that can glide off a tree. Scaredy Squirrel is no ordinary squirrel. He is a flying squirrel. The killer bee is like, I have no idea what this dude is doing, but I'm just gonna leave. He feels overjoyed, adventurous, carefree, alive. But when he lands into a bush, score 5.7. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about the killer bee, not to mention the tarantulas, poison ivy, green martins, germs, and sharks. And plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later. Finally, Scaredy Squirrel realizes that nothing horrible is happening in the unknown today. So he returns to his nut tree. All this excitement has inspired Scaredy Squirrel to make drastic changes to her life. Scaredy Squirrel's new and improved daily routine. 6:45 a.m. Wake up. 7 a.m. Eat a nut. 7:15. Look at view. 9:37 a.m. Jump into the unknown. 9:45. Play dead. 11:45 a.m. Return home. 12 noon. Eat a nut. 12:30. Look at view. 5 p.m. Eat a nut. 5:31. Look at view. 8 p.m. Go to sleep. P.S. As for the emergency kit, Scaredy Squirrel is no hurry just to pick it up just yet. The end. Poison ivy. So that was the end of the book. Can you ace this quiz? I hope I can. You can also do this too by pausing the video whenever I go to one question, and then you can read it and then maybe write down the question and then solve it and see if you're correct. Alright, let's begin. Where does Scaredy Squirrel live? In a burrow, in a house, in a lake, or in a tree? I'm gonna say in a tree. Correct. What does Scaredy Squirrel eat? Nuts, candy, insects, or pine cones? Squirrels definitely do not eat pine cones. Maybe insects, I don't know. But it's definitely nuts. Correct. What is Scaredy Squirrel afraid of? Lions, tigers, and bears, thunder and lightning, other squirrels, or poison ivy, tarantulas, germs, and killer bees. This thing. Correct. Why doesn't Scaredy Squirrel ever leave his tree? He is afraid of the unknown. Correct. Last question. Did Scaredy Squirrel add something to his schedule? If so, what? Jump into the unknown. Correct. Yay! 100% you correctly answered. 5 out of 5. Nice work, you're a superstar. I also hope you got 5 out of 5 like I did. I hope you did. Alright, we're done with the quiz. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!